Hi. Excuse me. Hi, English 102 students. So I'm doing my office hours right now, and my voice is fairly terrible because I am sick with a little laryngitis. I have my beautiful wife here, Katie. She's gonna help be my voice tonight, and I'm gonna answer this first question that I got in the document that I shared in Canvas.
All right. So the question is, I'm her voice tonight, as she said. Are we supposed to be including a separate PSA/ad with our rough draft? I saw somewhere that might have been hinted, but I want to know for sure. The answer is yes. That's not hinted. You will need a PSA. You'll need 5 sources. Sorry, did you want to speak?
No, you're okay.
5 sources, with one of them being a primary source, a multimodal analysis, a revision analysis, and a complementary visual argument, an ad or a PSA from the announcement, quote unquote, getting started on the solutions project.
Okay, so I know that in Canvas there's information in a lot of different places. And sometimes you can go, oh, I saw this, but I'm not sure where it was. The best place to go and look is in the announcements first and foremost, because Professor Tammy uses that to get all of the most important information to you guys. So I'm going to show you really quick here. Okay, so right here is your announcements. And I'm actually not in the student view right now, but yours has less in it right now. But if I go through here, I can go down to what's been previously posted. This one says getting started on the solutions project.
Getting started on the solutions project.
Thank you. So I can go into this. This is lengthy. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but it does have everything that Professor Tammy's looking for. So if you're still getting everything wrapped up and you haven't turned in your project yet, you may want to take a look at this email. Well, it came in email if you get notifications from Canvas, or you can go into Canvas announcements and see it there, and just maybe read through real quick and make sure that everything she's looking for is in your submission. Cool, thank you.